You and I.
Hey guys, it's Alyson and welcome back to my channel. Wow, that's so crazy. It has been a very hot minute since I've made a video. This past month has been pretty crazy for me and pretty eventful. So I cut my hair even shorter, took a few more inches off. I regret it already. My sister got married.
Jason, you may kiss your bride.
I got another tattoo. And I also turned 23. And other than that, I just kind of sort of lost some motivation during the way. There was just a lot going on and I just really haven't had the drive to make a video recently. I'm currently editing my sister's wedding video at the moment, so getting this video up has been a lot for me just because I do want to make sure I have her wedding video out first. That's kind of my first priority. So it has been a good maybe 2 weeks since I've had a actual video up. I don't know, sometimes you just lose motivation, people lose interest at times, but don't get me wrong, I'm not stopping YouTube. It's just I kind of sort of just want to live my life at the moment. Sometimes you just have to sit back, take a breather, and do your own thing and not be in front of a camera all the time. So anyways, for today's video, I decided to hop on the trend of Instagram controls my life. And the reason why this video wasn't up sooner is because I did want to take my time with editing this video because it was really fun to make and I would love to do it again, but it's a lot of work. So without further ado, let's go ahead and watch how Instagram controlled my life. My hair and my face looks absolutely wild right now. So I just woke up. I'm about to make my first poll for this morning on what I should eat. And we're gonna do eggs. Oh no, I'll do oatmeal first. Usually people always click the first option first. So I'll put oatmeal because I haven't had oatmeal in a long time. So hopefully you guys pick oatmeal for me. Or eggs. But I'll just post it to my story, wait a few minutes, and then I'll come back with the results. So you guys chose oatmeal for this morning, which I'm really happy about. I'm gonna make it with a little bit of Nutella, and I see bananas over there, but I'd rather have like and what I actually do is just take frozen strawberries and let them thaw out while I'm making my oatmeal. And then I just like heat them up a little bit just so that they're better and not frozen. So let's go ahead and do that. With my strawberries being in this oatmeal, it really just lets the strawberries defrost just so that they're nice and smooth and not frozen in my mouth. Still gotta take this one out. It's important to my day. I'm gonna go ahead and do my outfit for today on what I should wear. The only things I'm doing today really are getting my hair done. I have to go drop off some old clothing off at Plato's Closet, and then I'm probably just gonna do a little bit of shopping around. So they're pretty comfortable outfits, but one is definitely way comfortable than the other. Okay, so by the look of the polls, you guys are picking outfit 2, which is the Pink Floyd shirt, which I love. But yeah, let's go ahead and put that on and get ready for my day. Okay guys, so here's the outfit that you guys chose, my ripped up Pink Floyd shirt that I redesigned. I have a video on how to do it, so you can go ahead and look at my thrift flip video. My American Eagle jeans, and then just some white Converse. I did add just like a small silver choker necklace to it. I'm currently going over to my friend's house. She's my coworker and she's going to be doing my hair for me today. That's why I don't have on any makeup and my hair is greasy as heck. I'm gonna go ahead and go over there, but I'm gonna ask you guys what coffee I should get because I told her I was gonna pick up some coffee for her and I, so that we're not like dead doing my hair. So I'm going to choose from caramelized coffee, or they have the Thin Mint from the Girl Scouts right now. That's really good, so I'm gonna ask which one I should get. so I know I look absolutely crazy. I have no makeup on, my hair's a mess. My coworker slash friend is gonna be doing my hair for me today, but I'm wondering, I'm gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts. Should I get a caramelized coffee or thin mint iced coffee? Okay, so you guys picked caramel, so I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 caramelized coffees. I'm so excited. I love, love, love coffee. Okay guys, I'm at Dunkin' and I'm ready to order. Here we go.
Hi, good morning. Can I help you?
Hi, can I have 2 small caramelized coffees, please?
Anything else?
That's it.
Hi, 28. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks, honey.
Okay, so I am now at my friend Tiffany's house and she's doing my hair. So I'm going blonde and then we're gonna... All right, got my foils in, my hair is processing, and then we're just going to take this and we're gonna balayage them, make them blonde. I'm gonna be a blondie, man. I'm gonna be as blonde as Tiff here. Imagine that. Ew, no. We're just putting some peekaboo highlights in it, and then we're gonna tone it like a violety metallic, which I hope will take if my hair gets blonde enough. So I guess we're gonna have to see. Step 2, here we are. We're still here. Just waiting for the toner to go on, and then we'll see the end result, y'all. So I just scheduled for a tattoo out of a whim. So now I'm gonna go home, see what I have to do with my hair, and then also my makeup. Should I wear no makeup? Y'all will be doing me dirty, or just natural with lashes and brows? Let me know. So cute. Love my new hair, if you guys can't tell. So I put up if I should do my hair straight or curly, and if I should do natural makeup or no makeup at all. And I'll be so pissed if you guys put no makeup, because I even said, don't you dare click no makeup, because I'll be so mad. Okay, curly hair is winning 56 to 44, so looks like I am curling my hair. So I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest of my hair just so that I'm not wasting crazy battery. So hair and makeup is done. This is how my hair ended up turning out because you guys wanted to see it on Instagram, so I'll post it on here too. I did a really crappy job of curling it. It's like flat and then curled, so I don't really care. And you guys thankfully chose for me to do natural makeup and not no makeup. Everybody that said no makeup, I'm gonna punch you in the throat. So let's go ahead and go to Plato's Closet. I'm so excited. I've never been there before, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I just got down to Plato's Closet. I've never been in there before, and I liked it because they had a lot of nice name brand stuff, but the stuff that they took, I didn't think they were gonna take. I thought they would have took more because I have like 4 Victoria's Secret sweaters in there, and a pair of, I think, like American Eagle shorts that don't fit me anymore, something like that, and they didn't even take them. So that was kind of strange to me. Oh, the rest of it's just gonna go to Goodwill or somewhere that people need it and take it. I'm about to put a poll up to see if I should go to Target or not, but pretty sure I'm just gonna go to Target. Let's go down to Target. Didn't realize my story didn't post on my Instagram. Whoops. And I'm spending like $54. It's fun. Since this is so popular right now, you guys decided to pick 13 reasons why.
Reach out to a parent, a friend, a school counselor.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. I post every Monday and sometimes Friday. I don't know when I'm posting next. I have no video ideas. If you guys would love to see a video from me, please let me know down below so I know what you guys would love to see. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you get a notification for every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!